हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 5th का एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज का लेसन नंबर 23, इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज एंड हाउ टू प्रिवेंट देम। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाट्स द सॉल्यूशन? यू आर वेरी हंग्री बट द फूड हैज बीन लेफ्ट अनकवर्ड। आंसर, heating kills all the disease causing germs present in the food. So if the food is left uncovered, one should heat the food and then eat it when hungry. Eating warm food is always good for your health. Second, use your brain power. Which method of preventing the breeding of mosquitoes will you recommend for your surroundings? Not allowing water to stagnate or spraying insecticides on the water. And why? Answer, in order to prevent the breeding of mosquitoes, don't let the water stagnate as mosquitoes breed only where the water stagnates. They lay eggs in dirty water and wet garbage to start their life cycle. However, if there are nullas or gutters in the surrounding area, however, if there are any nalas or gutters in the surrounding area, spraying insecticides on the water will be recommended to kill the mosquitoes larvae growing in it. Therefore, both methods needs to be used for sometimes. Third, answer the following questions. A. What is an infectious disease? Answer, diseases that spread from one person to another are called infectious diseases. B. What are the mediums of the spread of diseases? Answer, air, water, food, and insects are the mediums through which diseases spread. C. What happens when there is an epidemic of disease? Answer, when there is an epidemic of disease, many people in one area get the same infectious disease at the same time. D. What is vaccination? Answer, when a person is giving a vaccine against a specific disease, he develops resistance to that disease. The process of giving vaccines is called vaccination. E. Make a list of the vaccination that are given to a newborn baby. Answer, vaccinations given to a newborn baby are: first, BCG vaccine, which is against for tuberculosis. Second, Hep B vaccine, which is against for jaundice caused by hepatitis B. Third, oral polio, which is against for the polio. And fourth, triple vaccine, which is against for diarrhea, whooping cough, and tetanus. Question 4, true or false? A. Intestinal diseases spread through air. Answer, false. B. Some diseases are caused by the anger of the god. Answer, false. Fifth, classify the disease given below as diseases that spread through food, through water, and through air. Malaria, typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, jaundice, gastro, diarrhea, and diphtheria. Answer, through food, diseases can be spread like typhoid, jaundice, gastro, and diarrhea. Through water, diseases like spread cholera, and through air, tuberculosis and diarrhea can be produced. 6. Given reason. A. When there is an epidemic of cholera, we should drink boiled water. Answer, cholera is an intestinal disease in which germs are present in the feces of infected people, which when mixed with water make them contaminated. Therefore, to prevent the transmission of the disease, we should drink boiled water, as boiled kills all the infectious germs present in it. B. We should not allow puddles of water to stand in our surroundings. Answer, we should not allow water to stagnate in and around our house to prevent mosquitoes from breeding in the stagnated water. Once they hatch, they can cause various diseases like malaria, dengue fever, etc. Stagnant water can produce a pretty bad smell, which can cause a lot of discomfort as well. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then please like, comment and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.